We have now split up and labeled. Building on top is going to be building A. Building on bottom is going to be building B. And now we can start to make heads or tails of all of these different labels. And if you look over here, they actually did it for us and I don't have to do it. So they said that the building can be separated into two rectangular prisms as shown. Identify the measurements for length, width, and height of each prism. Let's look at building A. All right, so we know that the length is this little line right here, the one that I made with my ruler. Same one, theirs is dotted. It's the same length as this line here and as this line here. So if you said that the length of building A was 4 meters, you were correct. How about so let's write that down. The length of building A is 4 meters. What about the width? Well, the width we know is the line that goes back, how thick building A is. So this line is the same as this line, is the same as this line. And if you said 9 meters for the width, you were absolutely correct. We only need one more dimension, and that is height. How tall is this? Now be careful. When they label this right here, they're referring to both buildings on the top and on the bottom. So we do not want to use that building measurement here. I don't want to say the number because I don't want you to use it. So let's look back here and see if, oh, look at that. There's a label and I see it. And it's 5 meters. Now, how can I know for sure that the height of building A is 5 meters? Well, if you look down here in red, they showed you that the height of building B is 7 meters. And if you know your addition facts, you know that 7 plus 5 equals 12. So it's got to be right. So the height of building A is 5. And I don't have to go through building B because you can even see that they clearly labeled it. They even used a different color for us. So that the length of building B is 10 meters, the width of building B is 9 meters, and the height is building B is 7 meters. So now it's very easy, but do you know what to do with these numbers? So that's what I'm going to leave up to you. Your assignment today is to figure out the total volume of building A and building B. Psych, just kidding. You don't have to do that because it's all right here. Yeah, on page 606, they give you all the answers. A is 180. B is 630. When we add 180 plus 630, we get 810. And the volume of the storage buildings is 810 cubic meters. Yeah, so psych, not your assignment. Ha 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 ha. But I wanted to make sure that I gave you an example of a building on top and a building on bottom. Now for your assignment.